Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany and today I'm going to be showing you how to make grilled cheese with a twist. So instead of your classic grilled cheese with just American cheese in the middle with 2 slices of bread and butter, I'm going to be showing you how to make a feta spinach grilled cheese and a tomato caprese grilled cheese. And if I'm saying that wrong, don't come at me. I really don't know how to pronounce that word. So you're only going to need a few things. You're going to need, for the caprese, you're going to need bread, butter, mozzarella, tomatoes, and basil leaves. And for the feta, you're going to need feta cheese, spinach, garlic, mozzarella, and salt, pepper, and minced garlic. So today I'm going to be making 4 sandwiches, 2 of each. Some for my children, some for me to try or have as well. Now for my bread that I'm using, I cut up 8 slices of French bread, because I love French bread. I cut up a few cherry tomatoes. I only have cherry tomatoes in the house. I don't really buy the big ones. I use the small ones because we eat a lot of salads. I have some basil leaves that I bought. Mine aren't ready in my herb garden yet. And I have some fresh spinach that I already cooked on the stove. If you're using fresh or frozen, what you're going to do before you make your sandwich is you're going to cook it on the stove with some olive oil, salt, pepper, and you're going to just cook it down so it gets like this. And you're going to, I don't know if I mentioned the garlic goes in there as well. That's where the garlic comes in handy for that. You're going to need butter for your bread, and let's get this started. So first things first, I'm going to get I have butter. I'm going to butter all my slices of bread. Get that out of the way. You want your butter to be room temperature so it's soft enough to spread onto your bread evenly. I have my cast iron skillet heating up over here. Just want it on a low heat. Mine was on too high, so it's starting to smoke a little bit. It'll be all set by the time I'm ready to put this on. I don't want it to burn my bread, so I've got to keep it at a minimum. Okay, now that all my bread is buttered, we're going to start with the, I guess we could do the caprese one first. So you're going to take 1 piece of bread, you're going to flip it over. I'll toss this so you can see better. You are going to put some mozzarella down. I don't want to sandwich the tomato and the basil in the middle. So I'm going to put some mozzarella here. Then I'm going to put some of the tomato slices on top of the mozzarella. And then you're going to put some basil leaves down on top of that. I'm going to add a little more cheese. It's going to be a little messy. You can use, I'm using shredded mozzarella. You can use the block or fresh mozzarella chunks, whichever you choose. And then you're going to sandwich those together. So that's one. And I'm going to make the other one. Try and use some of the cheese that fell off the other one. again, tomato slices. You can put as much as you want. I only put a few. I'm going to put my basil leaves. And some more cheese. I'm not really a fan of the classic grilled cheese anymore. I don't know, with age I've just come to prefer new things. I don't know, it's weird. My kids and my husband love grilled cheese. You can eat that for a snack. I'm just not. I personally don't. Okay, so the Caprese are put together. I'm going to flip my cutting board around so I can get onto the other one. Now, I'm going to flip my bread. And for the feta spinach one, what you're going to do is you're going to line your bottom bread with some cheese again. Now you're going to be lining it with both cheeses, so just put a little of the mozzarella or a lot. If you like it cheesy, go for it. Then you're going to take the feta cheese and put it on top of the mozzarella. I love feta cheese. Love the saltiness of it. Okay. Now you're going to put your spinach that you've already cooked. You're going to line the cheese with that. Now for the spinach, I use about a cup per sandwich, so about 2 cups of spinach, because it really cooks down to like nothing when you cook it. So 2 cups of, if it's raw spinach or fresh spinach, I should say fresh, not raw. Do about a cup per sandwich. And now I'm going to rinse my hands. Okay, and you're going to put more cheese on top of that. Put more feta. And then more mozzarella. The thing with French bread is it makes the sandwiches kind of small, so if you want a bigger sandwich, go with a bigger kind of bread, but I think these are perfect for like kids, or if you want just like a snack size. And then you're just going to press it together, and then we're going to go over to the stove and we are going to cook them. My cheese is falling out of my bread. I'm going to bring you over to the stove. Okay, my skillet is nice and hot, so I'm just going to go ahead and put these all on the skillet. And again, you want it on a low heat so you don't burn your bread. You really want the heat to transfer up into the sandwich. And my skillet's hot, so I don't want it to burn my... And you will probably need both hands to flip this so it stays together. I'm going to keep flipping it so I don't burn one side. These are going to be delicious. Okay, so I finished up the sandwiches off camera because I didn't think you'd want to be sitting there all this time watching me make 4 sandwiches. So this is the finished product. This is the Caprese. And this is the spinach feta. I fed my kids already because they were already hungry, or they were hungry already, I should say. It's past their lunchtime. I'm gonna try both. The spinach feta is absolutely delicious. If you're a feta fan, you'll like that one. Now the Caprese, you could actually dunk it in a sauce if you'd like, kind of like pizza-like. So if you want to put some tomato sauce or something. The Caprese is really good too. The basil leaves really give it that wow factor. So if you like this video and these recipes, please like the video down below and subscribe to my channel, and you will see more videos like this. Thanks for watching, guys.